So a lot of people do not realize this, but making 1 cent off of YouTube automations is still a dub. Believe me, a lot of people are sacrificing a lot just for, monetizations, sleepless nights for the monetization, having zero views, having low views. Now is the perfect chance for you guys to get monetized off of YouTube automations in my community. If you sign up in that community, I have do one-on-one live calls. I have all free websites of AI, high quality, and you can escape that zero view jail right now. If you sign up that community right now, you eventually escape the matrix and you get bangers like this one's. Boom. And yeah, what's big about this is that I also do, channel reviews. I also do channel review on your channel, and I'll review your channel. What's the big deal with it? And when I see what's the big deal with it, and yeah, you would just get some bangers, bro. You get monetized immediately. So with that being said, just sign up and work together.